Mom, it's dinner time. What are you doing?
I'll be there in just a second. Just a second. Oh, everything looks so, so nice. Now, I want to pre-warn everyone. This house is old and haunted. So if you see any of these balls start flying, I just saw one fly a minute ago.
She's lying.
It was flying by itself. And my granddaughters have said for some time this house is haunted. They're pretty scared to stay over here.
It is not haunted.
I'm telling you, I saw that doggone ball move all by itself. Nobody touched it.
Very friendly house.
It's friendly. Okay, you want to talk about what you did here, babe?
Yes. This is my dining table for my fall decor, I guess. But I got a lot of Mackenzie Childs going on here. So the first one, we'll start with the beginning. With right in the middle. That's my my newest item that I got from the Mackenzie Childs barn sale, and I bought it specifically because I already had the candle holders flanking each side. So I thought this would be really nice to have this in the center, and I was very correct. It looks really nice.
It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The Mackenzie, have you tried it with the Mackenzie pumpkins yet or not?
Mm-mm. No.
That'll be another one you can do later.
Mm-hmm. Well, I have to wait for my other pumpkin to come in.
Oh, okay.
I only got one. I need two. But anyways, so, and I borrowed my mom's tablecloth because I really liked it when I saw it on her video. So I told her to bring it over because I didn't have one as nice as hers. So she brought it. And then she also brought me some little
Did you see that ball move, guys? I saw it move in the video.
Oh my gosh, are we going to do this? It's not haunted. It's just the fan is on and it's making them move.
Don't believe her. It's haunted here.
Anyhow, my mom brought the little pumpkin coasters that are underneath each glass, and they're so pretty. Let me move this glass so you can see for yourself how pretty it is.
Aren't they? I love them.
And it goes, the color scheme goes really well. So I have my little pumpkins in the back. They all came from either Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. You choose which one you want them to go from. I don't remember. And then these, we thought this would be really cute to use. Well, Mom's idea. She thought would be really cute to put, like maybe.
It could even be soup. You could have it as your soup bowl too.
You could do that, or we can use it for cranberry sauce.
Yeah, maybe you should tell me where you got it. Maybe I'll get a pair of them.
Oh my gosh! So you can put your cranberry sauce in it.
Well, I was thinking of the soup, but they'd be great for put a little soup and stuff in it.
Yeah. I was thinking like my little olives or whatever I'm gonna have on the table for little sneaky snacks. So then we've got the table runner. We use this table runner for our Alice in Wonderland, but it really goes good with all of the Mackenzie Childs black and white stuff. So we thought, hey, let's just use this.
Yeah, and I use it a lot. I've used it in a lot of my videos and stuff.
Yeah, so we kind of borrow each other's stuff to make, create the vision here. So, anyways.
Because between the two of us, we have a really nice collection of Mackenzie Child pieces. I can't afford to buy as much as she can, but I still have added a few to the collection.
You've done quite well for yourself.
Yeah.
So moving down, Mom has these beautiful chargers.
Those are mine. Can you believe it?
And these plates are hers. She just hasn't seen them yet. So here you go, Mom. These are your plates. But they're so pretty. They're the ruffled edge, and they are the yellow and white check. And I was trying to find, another piece to go with it for the table, but they're so expensive. It's ridiculous, and because they're
we all
retired
know.
pieces.
And this here, are these not beautiful? Tell them all about this.
And these are the Mackenzie Childs napkin rings with the pumpkin.
And do you notice the dark yellow that runs along the side of it? It matches those plates beautifully.
Mm-hmm.
See, I might have to steal these from her. They match perfectly, these plates.
These plates are yours.
Yeah, but the napkin rings aren't.
Oh, yeah, they're not.
What do you think I'm talking about?
Oh, okay. And so I had to get the Mackenzie Childs napkins because they have the black and white check. Everything has to, be cohesive here. So I got those just recently on the barn sale as well. So I was really happy to see those. And I wanted to point out, because it's got some green and orange in the leaves, so I decided to go with my green wine glass to kind of, pick up the green in the leaf. So, and then the green in the, centerpiece as well.
And then all the little all the little balls all over are orange and green too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so kind of just make it all cohesive look. And then I just want to look on the bottom of this plate. This is a 1983. So it's an older piece. So I had a hard time, I'm looking for older, unique pieces, and this one is, I really liked it. It being the ruffled edge. So I thought it really, this all turned out really well.
Oh, I'm real happy with it. So you guys let us know what was your favorite piece, and we're going to have to start seeing what she got at the barn sale, aren't we, pretty soon?
I know, we've got a lot of stuff here on the table that we should have been showing in our barn sale.
Well, what can I tell you? We're giving a little extra Mackenzie Childs stuff this month.
Yeah, we have quite a few things to show, so that's okay. But I've had these stored for several months.
See what she does? She just stores stuff back and tortures me.
Well, you don't know, so how can you be tortured if you don't know what you have?
Well, that's the point. I don't know what I have. You just keep handing out money.
So I just bring a little out at a time. But aren't you happy with the plate?
They're very nice, and the best part of all, I have some really nice, beautiful white plates that will go nice with it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm so happy. I'd even be happier if you could find me some more of these pumpkin napkin rings.
Yeah,
Probably you're never going to see them again.
I don't know. I bought them a long time ago.
Well, if you happen to run across some, you can always buy me a pair.
Yeah, and they have leaves on both sides. And
yeah, I see that's very pretty. I like the different colors.
Mm-hmm.
And I love the dark yellow line that goes down and matches my dark yellow plates perfectly. That's what I love about Mackenzie Childs. All their stuff goes with everything, it seems like.
Mm-hmm.
And I love how this was finished off. Look at all those beautiful little fall leaves all stuck in there. Isn't it beautiful? Love it. All the detail work they do. It's really nice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed her fall tablescape and quite a few pieces from the Mackenzie Childs barn sale.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it turned out really, really nice.
So I was thinking, maybe we could change out a couple of pieces and see if which one the viewers liked.
Hey, that's a good idea. Okay, you guys get ready. We're going to change it out.
Well, it's the same.
It's a little darker. We're doing a little romantic candlelight dinner for you guys to see how nice it would look with low light. Does it look romantic? It's a tablescape for two, just for Deb and Carlos.
Yay!
Well, looks like you did a pretty good job of changing out the centerpiece.
Yeah, it looks pretty good like that too. I'm having a hard time deciding which one I like because I really like having some flowers on the table.
And the nice thing about it, I don't know if you guys noticed, that the teapot, that's what that is, a teapot that those flowers are in, matches the plates pretty good, don't they?
They sure do.
I really do like it. You want to give it a country look now?
I suppose.
I don't think she wants to do a country look. I thought we could do 3 different looks. Doesn't that sound like a good idea?
All right, let's give them another option.
Yeah, I think a little bit of a country was nice on this one, Debbie. Don't you?
I suppose.
Look at it. Doesn't it look cute? Some little hay bales there and a some little mother chicken walking her little babies for a little stroll, and the farmer has his prize-winning pumpkin in his wheelbarrow. Oh, see, I told you. Did you see that ball move? The ghosts are here again. You guys watch those balls. They move all by themselves. I'm not touching them.
But you see the thing on the flowers are moving too, and you don't get freaked out about that.
I'm telling you, there's ghosts in this house. Let's hope and pray Cynthia and Melissa don't watch this video. I'll get phone calls about it, I'm sure. Well, I thought it turned out pretty good. You guys tell me which one of these you like best. Tablescape 1, 2, or 3 centerpiece. Well, everything was the same except for the centerpiece. So, centerpiece 1, centerpiece 2, or centerpiece 3. I don't know. I liked them all, though. So, I'm going to let you guys choose. Well, hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.
Debbie.
No kisses? I guess I'm the only one that gives out kisses here on this channel.
I'm giving air hugs. You can't see.
Oh, air hugs you can't see. Okay.
Or you can't hear.
Oh, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the wonderful video we put together today for you. We'll see what we come up with next. Bye-bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.